In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for and save internships on Glassdoor. Let's start by opening Glassdoor in your web browser or on the mobile app and signing into your account. Being logged in is important because it keeps your searches and saved roles synced so you can revisit them from any device, and it helps you pick up exactly where you left off. Next, head to the search bar, type the word internship along with the field or job title you're aiming for, such as software engineering, marketing, data analysis, or product design. If you already know the city or region you prefer, include that as well. Otherwise, you can refine location with filters in a moment. Press enter or tap search to open the job listings page. On the results page, we'll narrow things down. Open the filters panel and under job type, select internship. This tells Glassdoor to show only internship roles, avoiding full-time or contract listings. You can leave other settings as is, or fine-tune them if needed. For example, you can adjust location, date posted to see fresher roles, salary range when available, or remote options if you're open to working from anywhere. None of this changes the core process, it simply sharpens your results. Quick note, if you need the website link or the mobile app download link, you'll find it right at the top of the description for this video. Use that to get to Glassdoor quickly on your preferred device. Now browse through the filtered results. Click any listing that looks promising to read the full description, qualifications, location details, and how to apply. Double check that the job type still shows internship on the listing page, and look for key details like responsibilities, required skills, timeline, and whether the internship is paid or unpaid. If it feels like a good fit, but you're not ready to apply, hit the Save button. Saving creates a quick shortlist so you can compare opportunities side by side later. You can access all your saved roles from your saved section whenever you're ready. Repeat this for any roles that catch your eye. Keep an eye on the posting date, graduation year requirements, work authorization notes, and time commitment to make sure each opportunity aligns with your situation. If the results feel too broad or too narrow, adjust your keywords or filters to refine the list further. And that's the whole process. Log in, search using internship plus your field, open the results, set job type to internship, and save any roles you want to revisit. You now have a simple, repeatable way to find internships on Glassdoor and track the ones you're interested in. Thanks for watching.